has desserts. This is their home bakery out here. Check that out. Handmade desserts, cookies. That is so pretty. They've got Scrubbies, flowers. I mean, a little bit of everything. So again, come check everything out here. It is a fantastic space. It's not far from Norman, about 7 minutes south on Highway 77 if you're coming out tonight. It is open till 5 o'clock, so you may have to come in tomorrow on Saturday. But again, take that drive down 77. It's beautiful. It's a really pretty drive. You can head towards Purcell, visit Lexington, Noble. I mean, it's a really pretty drive. So thank you so much.